Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The SLK Halo Pickleball Paddles are premium paddles crafted for players seeking precision, spin, and consistency on the court. Available in two models, Halo Pro and Halo Control, these paddles cater to diverse play styles, from aggressive shots to finesse gameplay. Key to the paddle's performance is the RevCore Power Polymer Core, which delivers a balance of power and control. This advanced core enhances shot consistency and energy transfer, making it suitable for intermediate to advanced players. The paddles feature a carbon fiber face, engineered for exceptional durability and spin potential. This surface allows players to apply significant spin on their shots, improving precision and making the paddle effective for strategic gameplay. The Halo Pro is tailored for power-focused players, offering optimal energy transfer for driving shots, while the Halo Control is designed for those who prioritize touch and accuracy, making it ideal for defensive and placement-oriented play. The paddles are lightweight and ergonomically designed, ensuring comfort during extended matches. The grip is optimized for stability, minimizing fatigue and providing a secure feel in hand. These features make the SLK Halo paddles versatile and adaptable for players with varying grip preferences and play styles. With a focus on spin, precision, and power, the SLK Halo pickleball paddles are an excellent choice for players looking to elevate their game. The combination of cutting-edge materials and thoughtful design ensures a high-performance paddle that meets the needs of competitive play while remaining accessible for those honing their skills. In summary, the SLK Halo Pro and Halo Control paddles are standout options for players seeking advanced technology and consistent performance, making them a valuable addition to any pickleball enthusiast's gear. Number 2. This pickleball paddle set offers a complete package for players of all levels, featuring paddles that are USAPA approved, ensuring they meet official standards for competitive and recreational play. Designed for both men and women, this set is ideal for beginners and intermediate players looking for quality gear at an affordable price. The paddles are constructed with a fiberglass surface, providing a good balance of durability, power, and control. Fiberglass enhances the paddle's ability to generate power on shots while maintaining a lightweight feel, making it easier to maneuver during fast-paced games. The core is typically made of polymer honeycomb, a standard material in pickleball paddles, offering a combination of strength, shock absorption, and a quieter play experience. Ergonomically designed, the paddles feature a comfortable grip that minimizes hand fatigue during extended matches. The textured surface also aids in delivering more controlled shots and spin, catering to players refining their techniques. This set is comprehensive, often including additional equipment such as pickleballs and a carrying case, making it convenient for players to transport their gear and start playing right away. The inclusion of multiple paddles also makes it suitable for doubles games or family and group activities. Overall, this fiberglass surface pickleball paddle set is a versatile and affordable choice for those looking to improve their skills or enjoy casual play. The paddle's USAPA approval ensures they're competition-ready, while the fiberglass construction and user-friendly design make them accessible to a wide range of players. Whether for recreational fun or competitive matches, this set offers great value and performance for pickleball enthusiasts. Number 3. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle is an all-in-one package designed for beginners and intermediate players seeking quality equipment for recreational or competitive play. The bundle includes 2 paddles, 3 pickleballs, and a convenient carrying bag, making it an excellent choice for players who want a ready-to-go setup. The paddles feature a G4 graphite face, offering a lightweight and durable design that enhances control and shot precision. The graphite surface also aids in generating spin, making it ideal for players developing their technique. Paired with the polymer RevCore, the paddles deliver a balanced mix of power and control. This core is known for its excellent energy transfer and shock absorption, providing a comfortable playing experience. Ergonomically crafted, the paddles have a comfortable grip designed to minimize hand fatigue, allowing for extended gameplay. The lightweight design makes them easy to maneuver, enabling quick reactions and improved accuracy on the court. The bundle's 3 pickleballs are designed for durability and consistent bounce, ensuring reliable performance across various court surfaces. The included carrying bag is compact and practical, making it easy to transport the paddles and balls to and from the court. The Selkirk Latitude Pickleball Bundle combines quality, convenience, and value, making it an ideal option for individuals or families looking to get started in pickleball. The paddle's durable construction and performance-oriented design provide an excellent foundation for improving skills, while the complete set ensures you have everything needed for immediate play. In summary, this bundle offers a balanced mix of durability, precision, and convenience, catering to players at the recreational and entry-level competitive stages. Its thoughtful design and high-quality materials make it a great investment for pickleball enthusiasts. Number 4. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddle is a premium choice designed for players who value power, control, and comfort on the court. Featuring a graphite carbon fiber face, this paddle delivers excellent touch and precision, making it ideal for both recreational and competitive play. The graphite surface ensures a lightweight design, allowing for quick reactions and better maneuverability during fast-paced games. Its construction enhances shot accuracy and spin control, appealing to players who want to refine their technique or dominate with strategic plays. At its core is a honeycomb structure, which provides a perfect balance between power and stability. This design allows for consistent performance across a range of playstyles, making it suitable for beginners and advanced players alike. The paddle is equipped with a cushion comfort grip, designed to minimize hand fatigue and improve handling during extended matches. The ergonomic grip ensures a secure hold, promoting better control over the paddle and reducing the impact of repetitive motions. The Onix Mod Z5 is recognized for its versatility, blending lightweight construction with robust performance capabilities. It is well suited for players who prefer a combination of power for aggressive shots and control for precision play. In summary, the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddle stands out for its high-quality materials, comfortable grip, and balanced performance. Its graphite face and honeycomb core make it a reliable and versatile option for players of all skill levels. Whether you're refining your game or competing at a higher level, this paddle offers the power, spin, and control needed to elevate your performance. Number 5. The Joola Essentials Pickleball Paddle is a high-quality option designed for players seeking durability, control, and power at an affordable price. Constructed with a reinforced fiberglass surface, this paddle enhances shot precision and power, making it suitable for beginners and intermediate players looking to improve their game. The paddle's honeycomb polypropylene core provides a perfect balance between stability and energy absorption. This design ensures a soft yet responsive feel, reducing vibration and offering consistency in performance. The core also contributes to the paddle's lightweight design, making it easy to handle during fast-paced games. The fiberglass surface is reinforced for added durability and provides excellent ball control, allowing players to execute precise shots and generate spin. This makes the paddle versatile, catering to both power-oriented and finesse playstyles. Designed with comfort in mind, the paddle features an ergonomic grip that reduces hand fatigue and enhances control during extended matches. The grip ensures a secure hold, allowing players to maintain consistent performance throughout the game. The Joola Essentials Pickleball Paddle offers exceptional value by combining durable materials, a lightweight build, and player-friendly features. Its balance of power and control makes it an ideal choice for casual and competitive players looking to elevate their skills. In summary, the Joola Essentials paddle stands out for its reinforced fiberglass surface, honeycomb core, and ergonomic design, making it a reliable and versatile option. Whether for recreational play or competition, this paddle provides the performance and comfort needed to excel on the court.